How to use comments for Python. We dey use comments take dey explain our code. Comments dey make am clear for other developers to fit understand our code well. And you see sometime we fit use comments to make sure say our code no run. But how you fit take create comments? One way you fit take create comment na when you use the hash symbol. So anytime you start your line of code and you start am with the hash, it mean say that line of code na comment. Make we see how we fit take write comment for code. Now we will go to our VS Code. Now our VS Code be this. To write comment, just as we take talk am, you start your comment with the hash. This is my line of comment. So it means say this line of code na comment. So even though you run am, nothing go happen, e no go show. This is how you write your comment. And what about if you want to explain how your code wan be? Comment na the best way to dey explain how your code wan be. Make we take am for example, say I wan write a code wey be say go add 2 plus 2 for me, then I will get the output. Wetin I go do? So you just start with your hash, the line of code wey dey down go add 2 plus 2 for me and return 4. You see am so? So I go just type 2 plus 2. Na so I take explain the line of code wey dey down for me be that. Now make we talk am say if you no wan make a specific line of code run, you fit take use comment too to make am make e no run. How you fit take do this one? One way you fit take do this one be say, make we say for example when I print 2 plus 2, this one na line of code abi? And I come here and I click on this play button. You see say 2 plus 2, e give me 4 as my output. But now, I just want take this one just to test if 2 plus 2 go actually run. But I no wan run this line of code again. Wetin I go do? I go just put hash for the front. So automatically e don become a comment. So even though I run am again, you see nothing happen, no output show for me. So na how you fit take use comment be this, and how you fit take use comment to make sure say your specific line of code no run. So na how we take dey create comment for Python be this. No forget to save your work before you close your VS Code. I go see you for the next class when we go discuss variable.